Hello and welcome to this C-Learning demo where we're looking at marking assignments in Google Classroom. So in classwork then we have created an assignment. When we've set the assignment, we've assigned it in a Google Doc where we've written the task for the students at the top. We've also included some useful websites for them to refer to. Across our organisation, we've decided to use a rubric that assesses spelling and punctuation, so we've assigned that too. We've almost got a generic rubric here that any teacher in our organisation can access when they're setting work. This can help standardise work for teachers and make it easy to conform to an organisational spelling marking policy. So let's have a look at the handed in work from our 3 students. Let's open this student first. So this student here, we've run the originality report, so we've checked for plagiarism, and it's saying there are no flagged passages. Now, I happen to know that this whole section here is a cut and paste, so how can it have no flagged passages? Well, when we open the originality report, we can see that actually it's picked it up as an entire cut and paste. So it's classed it as a quoted passage, and it's even told us the website where we've found it from. And if we look back to the task that the students were set, you can see that that is the website we were given. So the student hasn't done any original work here. They've just cut and paste work that we had given them for reference. And if we look at that percentage count, it's 99% match to that website. As we've gone through, we've had a look at the spelling and punctuation, and we can mark, is it fully correct, less than 10 mistakes, or more than 5 errors, and you can see it adjusts the score here as the total as we go through. Let's have a look at another student then. So let's open up another student from here. And this time the originality report hasn't been run, so we're going to run it now. Now this document here is the task that we'd set. This student has handed in a separate document. They've done their own work here. So I'm going to have a look for their spelling. That seems fine, so it's fully correct. And their punctuation, I think that seems fine, fully correct. And I'm going to run the plagiarism checker now. So we've seen that the plagiarism checker runs against websites and it shows you the percentage. It also shows you if it's a quoted passage as we previously had. It will also check against other submissions within your organisation. So it's found 2 flagged passages this time, so it's given us a different result. And it's saying that it's found a 91% match to these flagged passages. And that 91% matches to this website here. Now, if we go back to the task, I wonder if that's the work that we set them for reference. It's not one of them we set. So they have found a different website that they've used, but they have just cut and pasted it from a different website. So it's not just the websites we've given them that the originality report is checking against, it's checking against the entire internet. And it's found a website we've not given the students to refer to that the student has cut and pasted those sections in. So that was a little overview then from C-Learning of marking assignments in Google Classroom, looking at the benefits of rubrics and the benefits of originality reports when assessing student work.